Some days are just hard. You forget what's true, your brain has gone foggy, and your motivation is out the window. So today's DIY is something that will help on those hard days. We are making affirmation jars that you can pull from whenever you need a gentle reminder that you are doing just fine. My name's Larissa, and this is the Concussion Crew, where we make life a little bit easier. Today, one DIY project at a time. If that sounds like your kind of vibe, let's jump in. You have so many options here. You can download and print a free PDF from my website. The link is in the description below. It's made with 2-inch circles. So if you have a circle punch that's 2 inches, you could try that. My 2 inch is broken. I have a 1.5 or a 3.5 inch, and these just seemed like a good size, so I didn't want to redo the whole project. So I haven't tested it, but I imagine that it would work. I've done it with other projects. That being said, scissors work just fine too. Or if you're more into DIY flair, let me show you a couple of creative ways to do this on your own. I am a sucker for cute notepads. So I've got this one, it's got little dress-shaped papers. I've got ones with writing around the edges, little floral designs. So if you have access to some pretty paper, you can write directly on the paper, and then you can even roll these guys up so that they're like little scrolls to open later. My other suggestion is to use some pretty scrapbooking paper. I've got a packet of these little guys. I got them from the dollar store for, I think it was $1.50, and there are 30 sheets in here. And I feel like if you wrote on the blank side, you could either do this in half sheets or quarter sheets, or you could use the whole sheet and just fold it up to put into your jar. I also got a larger scrapbooking book and a couple of sheets like this, and with those I'm going to use my 3.5 inch square hole punch. I'm just going to cut out a bunch of squares and then write on the back of these guys. I have 2 different writing implements that I love. I have a set of Sharpies that are multicolored, so I can choose what color goes with the particular paper I'm using. I have got a lot of options here. And then I have another set of colored pens. They are a little more dainty, a little more precise, and they don't bleed through like markers might. I like using these for my Christmas cards, so they were worth the investment for me. But if you've got colored markers kicking around from other projects, that's totally fine. Use them or use a regular pen. If you're doing one of the more creative versions where you're writing affirmations on cute note cards or pieces of scrapbook paper, but you're not feeling very wordy today, I've got you covered. On my website, as well as the pre-finished circles that you can just cut out with the affirmations already done for you, but there's also a 1-page sheet with 40 different affirmation suggestions. Again, it's free, it's a PDF, you can download it and print it out, or you can just pull it up on your computer or your device and write away. This is just to help you out so you don't have to come up with all of your ideas from scratch. This project does not need to be perfect or even Pinterest worthy. The point is to create something for your future self. Jar or box or mug full of reminders that you are okay. You are enough. You are not alone. And it is more than okay to move slowly. I'm using this adorable mug. I got it during the Orchid Festival at Naples Botanical Gardens, and I knocked it and I cracked it so it leaks. But I love it. I love the memory of the event. And so now I've got affirmations in it. You could use a jar, a box, a tin, or a mug, whatever you've got lying around. I was considering doing a tutorial on how to zhuzh up mason jars or cylindrical, just plain glass jars, but I wasn't sure if that would make the episode run too long. So if that's something that you would be interested in, make sure you drop that in the comments below, and we can always do that for a future episode. When you're done, you can put your jar just about anywhere. Some suggestions would be by the front door so that you can give yourself a boost before you go out or when you get home at the end of the day. Maybe by your bed to read one and start your day out right, or read one just before you go to bed. Maybe put it right in your closet, because there are days when I talk mean to myself, and it's usually when I try something on and it doesn't fit right and I feel ugly. Place it wherever it can catch you gently on the hard days. If you try this project, please let me know how it went. And if you'd like more projects like this, make sure you like and subscribe so that you get notified for more DIY projects, simple recipes, and easy decluttering and organization home tips. Basically, ways to make life happier and easier, especially if you are recovering from a brain injury or other illness. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it. I appreciate you, and I hope that you know that you are not alone in needing reminders of your own strength. Libby loves crafting. She really does. As soon as I bring the markers out, she's like, yes, please. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Just give me a minute and then I will come find you. Thank you.